Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Jio Fiber router. First, locate the small, recessed reset button on the back or side of your router. It's usually a tiny hole. Make sure your router is powered on and all the indicator lights are stable before proceeding. You'll need a thin, pointed object, like a paperclip or a SIM ejector tool, to press this button. This initial step is crucial for a successful reset, ensuring the device is ready for the process. Once you've located the button and have your tool ready, gently insert the paperclip into the reset hole. Press and hold the button firmly for at least 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you might notice the router's indicator lights begin to flash or even turn off completely. This visual cue indicates that the reset process has initiated. Continue holding until you observe these changes, then carefully release the button to allow the router to proceed. After releasing the reset button, your Jio Fiber router will begin its reboot sequence. This process can take several minutes, typically between 3 to 5 minutes, as the device restores its factory default settings. Observe the indicator lights. They will eventually stabilize, signifying that the reset is complete and the router is ready for use. Remember, all your custom Wi-Fi names and passwords will be erased, so you'll need to set them up again. It's important to understand that performing a hard reset will revert your Jio Fiber router to its original factory settings. This means any personalized Wi-Fi names, passwords, or other network configurations will be completely erased. You will need your Jio Fiber login credentials to access the router's administration panel and reconfigure your network. If you continue to experience issues after performing this reset, please contact Jio customer support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.